Save our planet. New U.S. bill offers cash to farmers to grow organic. Farmers in the U.S. can now receive $20,000 US per year for a maximum of $80,000 US over a 6-year period to convert their conventional growing practices to organic. The government is also offering to pay up to 75% of the fees for organic certification and is allocating $78 million US for organic farming research between 2009 and 2012. The current Conservation Stewardship Program, which provides funding for farmers who employ practices that benefit the environment, will also be modified to make it simpler for organic farmers to qualify for the reward. United States legislators, we applaud your support of these healthier, pollution-free growing practices. Blessed be the day when organic farming is restored as the worldwide norm for the greatest benefit to all life.
Greenest bricks are going on market. CalStar Cement has developed its very first product, which promises to be the biggest technological step in the history of brick making since ancient times. The production of CalStar's green bricks requires at least 90% less energy than the traditional clay burning method, thus greatly reducing its carbon footprint. Their secret is based on the material fly ash and a chemical reaction that takes place at near room temperature. The product, which is expected to be commercially available soon, will be offered at a price similar to conventional bricks, thus making it a first choice for eco-conscious builders. A green salute, CalStar Cement, for your progressive and eco-friendly method of brick production. Our best wishes for the success of this earth-saving improvement in construction technology.
Canadian province struggles with disappearing water sources. With water supplies on the decline due to global warming's retreating effect on glaciers, Alberta province is rethinking water's distribution and use. Consideration is being given to further regulation of water permits to fit the region's changing circumstances, while at the same time attempting to balance stated needs for local economies. Alberta government, we admire your honest appraisal and efforts to address this challenging situation. Our prayers for humanity's appreciation of nature's irreplaceable resources in helping re-establish the balance of life on Earth.
Plants call on outside help to recover from illness. Researchers at the University of Delaware in the United States employ state-of-the-art laser scanning to evaluate a flowering plant's reaction to harmful fungi or bacterial infections. The scientists observed that instead of passively accepting the infection, the plant sent SOS signals to its roots, which in turn produced a chemical substance that attracted a beneficial microbe. Those plants in the study with this microbe present in the soil were in fact restored to health. What a heartening discovery, University of Delaware scientists! May we act ever more quickly in addressing the environmental concerns of our Earth with the knowledge that this intelligence and resiliency has been bestowed in the wondrous creations of the divine.
Coastal cities worldwide vulnerable to climate change. A recent United Nations report pointed out that although coastal areas less than 10 meters above sea level represent only 2% of the world's landmass, these same locations are home to 10% of the world's total population. With sea levels continuing to rise, the more than 3,300 cities in these low-lying regions are expected to be affected. In the foreword to the report, Anna ç²ó², Executive Director of the United Nations Human Settlements Program, calls on cities and national governments to address the challenges posed by global warming. Our heartfelt thanks, Executive Director ç²ó² and United Nations researchers, for your preparation of this timely report. Let us be unified in caring actions to secure a brighter future for all Earth's inhabitants.
One of the Middle East's most high-tech, comprehensive recycling centers opens in Tehran, Iran, covering a 22-hectare area and capable of transforming tons of waste into rich soil compost.
U.S.-based Cool Earth Solar, whose balloon solar concentrator improves the efficiency of solar cells 400 times, constructs its first prototype plant in Livermore, California.